Welcome to our video on postsynaptic membrane receptors. Understanding how neurotransmitters interact with these receptors is crucial for comprehending how signals are transmitted and processed in the nervous system. Let's delve into the types of receptors on the postsynaptic membrane and how they function. After neurotransmitters cross the synaptic cleft, they interact with receptors on the postsynaptic membrane to open or close ion channels. These receptors are divided into ionotropic and metabotropic receptors. Ionotropic receptors are ligand-gated protein channels that provide a faster response. They are composed of 5 protein subunits that form a transmembrane pore. When a ligand binds to an ionotropic receptor, the pore opens, allowing ions such as K+, Na+, Cl, and Ca2+ to pass through. This immediate change in ion flow can rapidly alter the membrane potential of the postsynaptic cell. An example of an ionotropic receptor is the GABA receptor, which is primarily involved in inhibitory neurotransmission. Metabotropic receptors, on the other hand, are G protein-coupled receptors that produce a slower response. When a neurotransmitter binds to a metabotropic receptor, it activates other protein subunits that can open or close ion channels in different parts of the membrane. Unlike ionotropic receptors, metabotropic receptors can affect the entire cell, modulating various cellular processes. An example of a metabotropic receptor is the dopamine receptor, which is involved in numerous physiological functions, including mood regulation and reward. Postsynaptic potentials generated by these receptors are graded action potentials, meaning they vary in magnitude based on the strength of the stimulus. Unlike action potentials, which follow the all-or-nothing law, postsynaptic potentials can be summated. There are 2 types of summation. Spatial summation. This occurs when several activated synapses collectively cause an action potential on the dendrite. The combined input from multiple sources can bring the postsynaptic neuron to threshold and trigger an action potential. Temporal summation. This occurs when a single synapse is stimulated repeatedly in a short interval. The successive postsynaptic potentials can add up, potentially reaching the threshold for generating an action potential. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for appreciating how neurons integrate and process information, allowing for complex behaviors and responses. Thank you for watching this video on postsynaptic membrane receptors. Stay tuned for more insights into the intricate workings of the nervous system and how it orchestrates a myriad of functions.